Hello everyone and welcome to Immigrationpedia, the encyclopedia of immigration news and information. Today we will discuss about the two PNP draws which has opened on 26th of August 2020. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that and press the bell icon so that you can get an alert when we upload our new video. So let's get started. So friends, as you know, two PNP draws opened on the same date. So opening of the two PNP draws on same date is neither rare nor common. But this time around, two provinces of Canada, Saskatchewan and Ontario, decided to open their PNP draws on the same date, that is 26th of August. Let's find out the details about the two draws. So let's find out the Ontario draw first. The ONP draw opened on 26th of August 2020 for the Express Entry Human Capital Priority Stream. Let's find out the NOIs issued by the Ontario in this particular draw. So the Ontario has issued 703 or 703 notifications of interest to the Express Entry candidates through its Express Entry Human Capital Priority Stream. Let's discuss about the CR score requirement. So the CRS score requirement was 466 to 475 CRS points in this particular draw of ONP. Friends, this particular ONP draw targeted 9 occupations, and these occupations are financial managers, advertising, marketing and public relations managers, corporate sales managers, financial auditors and accountants, other financial officers, professional occupations in business management, consulting, registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses, allied primary health practitioners, dietitians and nutritionists. So let's find out about the total NOIs issued for the SCP stream this year. So the Ontario has issued total 4,833 NOIs this year after this particular draw of 26th August. Now we'll talk about the SINP draw. So the Saskatchewan opened latest EOI based draw on 26th of August 2020 for its International Skilled Worker Occupation in Demand subcategory. Let's talk about the invitations issued by Saskatchewan in this particular draw. So this particular draw, Saskatchewan invited 570 candidates under its Occupation in Demand subcategory of SINP. However, no invitations issued to Express Entry candidates this time around. Let's talk about the points requirement. So the minimum points requirement in the current SINP draw is 68 points. Talking about the eligibility criteria for this particular draw. So the OID subcategory eligibility criteria this time around was, the first one is applicant with 69 points or higher got through. Second criteria is the candidates with 68 points and connection to province of Saskatchewan got through, and the candidates with 68 points and 10 years of work experience and a language level of CLB 8 or higher got through this time around. Let's talk about the list of invited NOC occupations. So you can see here there are the occupations listed which NOCs got the invitation this time around from the province of Saskatchewan. Let's go through it. Let's move on. Friends, these were the details of two PNP draws occurred on 26th of August 2020. So to get the latest immigration news and updates first on Immigrationpedia, do not forget to subscribe Immigrationpedia, the encyclopedia of immigration news and information. So we'll be back with the next immigration update and news. Till then, do take care of yourselves, stick around, and thank you for watching.